Hi, in this video, I want to show you Select B2B Lead Engine, a tool built to solve one of the biggest problems in cold email and B2B prospecting, finding fresh, valuable business contacts without hours of manual research. If you have ever worked with outreach, you know the process. First, you need to find companies, then extract email addresses, then remove duplicates, filter out private inboxes like Gmail or Yahoo, and verify which emails actually exist. After all that work, a large part of the list can still turn out to be useless. And after a few weeks, the same problem comes back. Websites change, domains expire, inboxes stop working, and old databases quickly lose value. That is why we created Select B2B Lead Engine. It automatically searches for business email addresses across multiple markets, verifies them in real time, removes duplicates, and saves only valuable records. This is not a basic scraper that collects everything and leaves you with a messy spreadsheet. It is an automated engine for building fresh B2B contact lists. On the screen, you can see how tasks are added to the queue. You can load thousands of keywords, industries, services, niches, or local search phrases, and let the application work in the background. You set the countries, domains, and search parameters once, press Start, and the system can keep working for hours, days, or weeks. Select B2B Lead Engine supports business email discovery across the European Union, the United States, and additional markets including Canada, Australia, Singapore, the United Arab Emirates, South Korea, Japan, China, India, Brazil, Mexico, and more. This means you can build targeted lead lists for specific countries, industries, and campaigns, instead of relying on one outdated database or manually searching the web. One of the most important features is real-time SMTP verification. Every email found by the scraper is checked before it is saved. The system analyzes MX records, connects to mail servers, and tests whether the address appears to be active. It can also detect catch-all domains, which often accept almost any email and can damage your outreach data. This matters because sending emails to dead, fake, or inactive inboxes increases your bounce rate and can hurt the reputation of your domain and sending server. With Select B2B Lead Engine, data is cleaned during collection. The system does not blindly save everything it finds. Only records that pass the configured rules are added to the database. Another key feature is deduplication. If an email address has already been collected, the system skips it automatically. You do not have to waste time removing the same contacts again and again in Excel or Google Sheets. The application can also filter out free email providers, such as Gmail, Yahoo, and other personal inboxes, so you can focus on company email addresses. For B2B outreach, quality is much more important than random volume. All results are saved into the database and exported into files. You can log in at any time, check the progress, and download your lists whenever you need them. The system is fully configurable. You can adjust target countries, domain filters, queue size, verification settings, export options, and performance parameters. It can run on a VPS server, so it does not slow down your computer and does not require you to keep a browser open all day. The workflow is simple. Prepare your keywords, choose your target markets, start the queue, and let the engine work. It searches company websites, finds email addresses, verifies them, rejects low-quality results, skips duplicates, and saves clean data for export. Instead of buying expensive, outdated databases or paying for credits on external platforms, you can build your own source of fresh B2B leads. Select B2B Lead Engine was created from a real problem. Manual research, list cleaning, and email verification take too much time. This system automates the process from start to finish. At the end, you get a cleaner, unique, and verified list of business email addresses ready for prospecting, CRM import, sales research, or compliant B2B outreach. If you work in sales, cold email, lead generation, or contact database building, this system can save dozens of hours of manual work and give you ongoing access to fresh contacts. This was a quick overview of Selite B2B Lead Engine. If you want to learn more, check the description below the video or contact me directly.